This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're looking to go to the next level, then this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned.
Next level Slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, we're going to talk about Dogecoin, however you want to call it. Doge is what I call it. And some of you that may be watching my channel that are not crypto enthusiasts, you're new into the crypto space and you're trying to learn it and navigate, put your feet in it a little bit. You've probably been hearing a lot about DogeCoin and what is DogeCoin, what should you get in it, what is all the fuss, okay? There's negative and positives about it that people are talking about. So what I'm going to do is give you my take on it and what I am doing with it, and take you along my journey with Dogecoin. So are you ready? Let's get into it, okay? All right, I'm currently sitting on the CoinMarketCap website. CoinMarketCap is a website where you're able to look at all the different cryptocurrencies to see what their value is, to research them, and to see how they are doing in the market. Let me put my glasses on. And so Dogecoin or DogeCoin is at number 4 now. It was at point that it was not at 4, and because of all the hype that Elon Musk has been putting out, him and mostly him, and there's Mark Cuban, and there's different celebrities that have been talking about Dogecoin and them, how they are investing in it and how they believe what they're going to do with it. So I encourage you to do your own due diligence and just Google Dogecoin in the news, and you'll see all the content that is out there regarding it. I did a video on that before, so I'm not going to repeat that. I think I'll put it at the end of this video, but let's just click on Dogecoin. It's currently at 60 cents. I'm going to go to the charts to show you where it was just a few weeks ago, and just to give you an idea how well it's doing. So it's number 4. I'm going to take you to the Dogecoin website. It actually started out as a joke. There's no fundamentals behind it, so a lot of people passed on it. They did not get in it, but some because you see their website is pretty basic. The fun and friendly internet currency. It was done for fun. Okay, but somebody decided to take it seriously, like Elon Musk, and he has been talking about it ever since. All right, so that's the website. Now it is $78,000 in the market, going around in the market. 78 billion, I'm sorry, not thousand. $78 billion is the market cap, and that is pretty good. That's what moves it up here on the that's what moves it up here in the what number they are is based on their market cap. Okay, Bitcoin is $1 trillion. Ethereum is 393 billion, and Binance coin is at 99. So actually that has just jumped up as well. I'm in that coin as well. That's Binance coin. And then Dogecoin has crept up into a 78 market cap. So after SNL, Elon Musk is going to be on SNL and is probably going to mention Dogecoin, which will move, probably make the price go up even more because people will probably start buying more. And people that are already in it now, it very well went up 12. This is going to go up and down in a 24-hour period, but in the last 7 days, it has made a 97% increase. All right. So that is something to look at for people that are into investing and making a profit. If you're someone, I am going to hold some for long term, and then I'm going to also trade this as all of this news is going on about it, as different things are happening with the market. I'm going to be trading it, often when I see when it's a good time to get in and get out. But I also have a wallet that I'm holding long term that I'll continue to stack. It is said that this coin will be $1 like by Saturday, and it went all the way up to like 60. Let me go to the chart. It went all the way up to 70, almost 70 cent. Barely made 70 cent yesterday. This was yesterday. And it came back down here, and it's making its way back up again. So I made some profit, took some profits off of this move yesterday, and by trading. And what I'm also doing is I've got some trades happening here. Let me go into eToro. eToro is a platform where you can place trades here. You can deposit funds with your debit or credit card. You don't need cryptocurrency to deposit in here, which is what I like. And you can buy, and you can put stop losses, take profits and stop losses and trailing stops in here. I have a video that I did yesterday on that I'll link at the end of this video if that's something you want to learn how to do here. This is a pretty simple site. You can look at the charts with this platform if you wanted to, but I don't use it to look at the charts. So DogeCoin, I just put in another order with it. So, and then I have a take profit at $10 and then a stop loss at $6. Only put $25 on this trade. So it's a small amount. You're able to deposit, I think it's a minimum of $100. Let's see, in here is the minimum. No, $50 is the minimum. So you're able to deposit a minimum of $50 to start trading in here. So I got some Doge working for me here, and Bitcoin as well. Another position that I had in, I haven't ordered. Let me see. I just put in a new one on the KuCoin platform. Yep, I did. And I'm down right now. It was up. See, it went up here, and this thing is acting up. I see. What's going on? Okay. So I'm down right now. So this is a position. I thought I put a take profit. Oh, there it is. I don't know what's going on here. So I have a take profit set at 63 cent, 63,774. So, and then a stop loss at 58, which is a pretty tight stop loss. So I definitely want to keep an eye on this. I can change that to make it, if that means that I want to cut me out of this trade when it gets to that point, and I'll just take a loss out on it. So I have that working for me. So like I said, I'm going to be in and out of the market with this DogeCoin, and then I'll have some ones that I'm doing like some swing trades with here on my Kraken I bought this yesterday at like 67 cent, and it's down below that. But this is a trade I'm gonna hold until probably the SNL happens. Up until that point, I'll take off some profit. See where it is there. I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up to $1 for sure by then. So I'm going to be holding that in this account, and then of course I have my Exodus wallet that has quite a large amount, of DogeCoin in it. I've been adding more to it, and I'll probably add more from my earnings from Watermine. I'll be doing that. So that is pretty much it I wanted to go over about DogeCoin. How can you buy DogeCoin? Well, you can buy it on, I think you can buy it on Coinbase. Let me check. I believe you can. I don't really use Coinbase anymore because I'm already on some exchanges to be able to buy it. I'm on I can buy it on Kraken. I can buy it anywhere actually. Okay, so let me just check and see if it's on Coinbase. I believe it is. 3670. Okay, so that coin code didn't work for. Okay, I'll be able to tell you in a minute if it is. Let's see. Portfolio. I don't have any in my portfolio. But let's see. I'll be able to tell you right now. This way. DogeCoin is not on here. Okay, so I'm glad I checked. So you can't hold DogeCoin on here. All right, so the other way you can buy DogeCoin is by here on Kraken. KuCoin is another exchange you can buy it on. If you want to buy it with your debit card, you don't want to buy it with Bitcoin, eToro is the perfect one, because you can just put your credit card in and then your debit card in, and you can buy it and hold it here. Now, and then when you make a profit, you can go ahead and sell it. The only thing that you can't, if you're trying to be a long-term person with this, then you definitely want to go through an exchange like Binance or KuCoin or Kraken, and then transfer it to your crypto wallet, which can be Exodus. And there's many of them out there. Like I said, Coinbase does not appear to be on Coinbase right now. Robinhood is another place you can do it with your bank account, and then Webull. So in my link tree, I have a link to Robinhood. I have a link to Webull. You're able to buy those DogeCoin if you want to use your bank account or your debit card. If you don't want to go to a crypto exchange, transfer crypto, buy Bitcoin, transfer it there, then the simplest way is to do it with Webull or Robinhood. Let me just take you guys to Robinhood. I have a link for both. If you sign up for any of those, you're going to get some free stock once you are approved and set up for their accounts. Okay, so I'm going to take you to Robinhood. If you're looking to build a portfolio, period, with crypto or stock, Robinhood or Webull would be good choices. Robinhood allows you to buy fractional shares. Webull does not. But the good thing about this is that DogeCoin is not, it's cheap, so you don't have to buy it fractional. All right, so it's currently at 59 cents right now. So I'm actually able to buy, I have $1.28 in here. I can buy 3 estimated Doge. I can buy, hold on, I can buy it in amounts. US dollar amount that's due. It's telling me I can get, if I spend my my $1.28, I can get 2. So I'm going to review and submit buy, and I'm done. So now I have 2 Dogecoin in here with the little bit of change I had left. So if I go to my portfolio, it'll show me that I have Dogecoin in here. Hold on a minute. Probably gonna take it'll show me a message once I purchased it. Yep, I just bought it. My order is complete. Let's go to portfolio. So I'm on Robinhood. So this is Dogecoin right here. All right, so I'm able to track those two coins. If it goes up to $1, I made $2. You know, I have so many places. This is just something for me to do with some free money that some money I had sitting in here. So that is it, guys. There's places you can buy it. You can buy it on Robinhood. If you're interested in getting stock and following me on my dividend series, my dividend building a dividend portfolio, signing up for Robinhood would be good for you to do, because that's where I'll be buying majority of my dividend stock. And then if you want to buy some Doge or some other cryptos, you're able to do that too without using your bank account, so you can have everything in one place. I haven't done a video on Webull yet because I haven't bought any stock on Webull. I want some free stock. Looks like I got a new signal. Okay, buy link. Okay, so that's it I'm going to do in this video. I just got signal to place a trade. So from the OKC signal, so I'm going to do that. And until next time, if you like this content, by the way, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up. I welcome all my new subscribers. If there's something you would like me to cover, discuss, or go over, let me know in the comments. I will be happy to discuss it. Show you how to do some things. If you want to know how to do some things, I'll do a video on it or something. Okay, if it's something I know how to do. But until next time, you guys, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the